If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe. Let YouTube know that I'm doing a good job by subscribing to the channel. Plus, you'll get notified when I have new videos coming out. And finally, if you're enjoying what I'm doing, give it a like. Just click on that thumbs up, and that way YouTube knows that you like it, and they'll pass it along to other people that might enjoy my content as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you again. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Jam. I'm from Provincial Fisheries Office of Camiguin and under BIFA Region 10. Ako po ay isang anak ng mangingisda at isang fish vendor. So ako po ay nag-apply sa Maya program as Maya intern at dito po ako na-assigned sa Sagay Multi-Species Hatchery. So dito po sa hatchery is tinitrain po kami kung paano alagaan yung mga bangos na siya ring binibigay po natin dun sa mga beneficiaries po natin dun sa mga LGUs at sa mga academ na siya ring gagamitin nila to have another source of income para po ma-elevate yung economic life status po nila. And also ginagawa po ito ng center para po makakontribute sa food security at food sustainability ng ating bansa. So aside from na-deploy po kami sa hatchery, is binigyan din po kami ng chance ng Maya program na ma-deploy sa iba't ibang farmer cooperative association na kung saan doon po namin nakikita yung mga iba't ibang potential na business na pwede rin pala namin pasukin. So, nung time na yon is nagbigay kami ng business proposal namin at doon ko po pinopropose si Jam Pusit Siritsit, and luckily na nanalo po ako at yung panalo ko po is yun po yung ginamit ko as my startup capital po doon sa aking squid chicharon at dried squid na business. So sa loob po ng isang buwan ay nakapag-produce po ako ng 440 packs na chicharon at nagkaroon ako ng net income in 1 month po ng 10,000. So, doon ko po nakikita na malaki po talagang potential at meron pong pera out of pusit po. So, yun po, I have a plan to expand my business kasi yung squid is seasonal po siya. So, during the peak season is doon po ako magpo-produce ng maraming raw materials na gagamitin ko po sa aking squid chicharon. At during naman dun sa lean season is dun ko po ifo-focus yung pagmamarketing ko po ng aking product. So I have a plan to market my product not only here in Camiguin but in the entire mall supermarkets here in the Philippines. And yun po, i-develop ko po yung packaging ko po at yung mga equipment and materials na gagamitin ko po para po mas convenient at mas madali po yung pagpaprocess ko po ng aking squid chicharon. So para dun po naman sa mga kapwa-kabataan na tulad ko, huwag po kayong matakot to take a risk na to venture into business na pwede nating pagkakitaan. Alam ko po na there are a lot of potential business na hindi natin alam is nasa paligid lang pala natin. But what we need to do is we need to have the courage, strive more, and push lang ng push. Push mo lang yung passion mo at yung desired mo at I'm sure na aangat ang buhay po ng ating mga kabataan. At of course, meron siyang effect sa ating bansa. Yun lang po.